How to find someone on Telegram by username. So first is you have to go to your Telegram, and here it will lead you to your chat box or to your chat area and where you can see your contacts. Now, if you want to chat someone or have a conversation with someone, that person is not in your contacts. So all you have to do is to make sure that you have the copy or you have known the username of that person. And then on the upper right, you will see the search icon. So just tap on that and basically just paste the or just input the username of that person, and then it will actually show here. So you just tap on that and here you could see the persons, and that is how you find someone on Telegram by username. If it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Telegram application. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in Telegram. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. As you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Telegram application is updated. Now, if it's updated, you can go back and do the tutorial again on how to find someone on Telegram by username. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.